Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how to fix Netflix encountered an error. You can see a lot of videos on YouTube show you how to fix this issue, but in this video I will show you my own ways to fix this issue. It's worked for me, I hope it's worked for you also. In this video I will show you a lot of ways. The first way is you can try to delete all the cookies or data of the browser. You can see I'm in Netflix.com. You click the icon over here and you can find the cookies and site data. I'm using Microsoft Edge. If you use other kind of browser, it should be similar. You will find the cookies and site data over here. Now you can see the cookie right here and you see a lot of browser cookie over here. I will choose this one and I click remove. After that, you can restart your browser, re-log in to Netflix and find out if it's work for you. If that solution is not work for you, I suggest you can add another profile in your browser, like I do right now. I will add a new profile and new name. By this way, you will have a completely new profile with new data and new cookies. You go to Netflix.com and you log into the account and try if this way will work for you. If both two ways not work for you, I suggest you to install this kind of apps. You can download this app by simply go to the address bar and you search for 1.1.1.1 like this and you enter, and you can download for Windows, for Mac, or in your phone. You can download in App Store or Google Play. After you download and you run the apps, you can see the Cloudflare icon over here. You click on this icon and you need to turn this option on. You can see here your internet is private and it shows connected. You can refresh Netflix tab over here, re-log into the account and try if you can watch Netflix normally. The last solution I will show you if my previous solution are not work for you. You will go to the settings. You can see this option. You go to this option, network and internet. You choose the internet option and you look for DNS server assignment right here. You can click edit. You change to manual. Now you can turn on the IPv4. It asks you to enter the DNS. You can go to Google and you search for Google DNS IPv4. And you can see the primary DNS is 8.8.8.8. The secondary is 8.8.4.4. I will use this DNS. You click this one, you type 8.8.8.8. On this alternative one, you click 8.8.4.4. The Netflix issue can happen if your internet provider blocks you from watching Netflix. So if you use this kind of DNS, the network provider cannot block you on any kind of website, so you should watch Netflix normally. Now you can click save option and you come back to Netflix tab, you refresh the tab, you should relog into the device and you should watch Netflix normally from now. Okay, that's all my videos. This option worked for me. If this worked for you also or you found any better solution, please drop a comment below. If this video helpful, please give me a like and a subscribe, and I will see you in my next videos.